What sound are we learning today? This is the letter M and it makes the sound. Can you say it with me? M, m, mountain. M, mix. M is for map. Map. Listen carefully. Can you hear the sound at the start of one of these words? Can you find it? Mop. Trees. Fish. Which one was it? Was it fish, trees, or mop? That's right. Well done. It was mop. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. He can sound out the letters, but he needs our help to say the word. T. Let's help Blending Bot to say the word. Mat. G. Mug. T. Let's help Blending Bot to say the word. Met. X. Mix. App. Map. Thank you for helping Blending Bot and also Blendosaurus to say the words. The next lesson is we're going to be learning the D sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any lessons.